What if your brain held the key to eternal youth, and the right supplement could unlock it? Neural health and visible beauty are not separate. In fact, the aging of your face often begins inside your brain. But what if you could slow both, sharpen your mind and smooth your skin with one strategy? In this video, we are revealing the most cutting-edge, neuroscience-backed supplements that do more than boost cognition. These compounds regenerate the skin, restore mitochondrial energy, and slow the clock on cellular aging. If you care about how you think and how you look, this is the only video you cannot afford to miss. Your skin is not aging in isolation. It is following signals from your brain. As neural health declines, hormonal rhythms shift, inflammation rises, and cellular regeneration slows. The hypothalamus governs circadian rhythms that tell your skin when to repair. The limbic system responds to stress, spiking cortisol, which breaks down collagen. The brain even influences your skin's microbiome through the vagus nerve and neuroimmune signals. So if you want younger skin, you must first support a younger brain. That is where Neuro nutrition comes in. Specific compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier and simultaneously enhance cognitive performance and slow visible signs of aging. Omega-3s, especially DHA and EPA, are foundational to brain structure, but their benefits go far beyond memory. The third, DHA improves cell membrane fluidity in neurons and skin cells. The six omega-3s reduce neuroinflammation and skin redness, eczema, and inflammatory acne fallers. They support neurotransmitters, and moisture retention supplementation has been linked to increased skin elasticity, reduced wrinkle depth, and improved skin barrier function. Dosage 1 to 2 grams per day of combined EPA and DHA, ideally from purified fish oil or algae. Neuroscience confirms that these fatty acids protect white matter in the brain and collagen in the dermis, preserving clarity and complexion. Phosphatidylserine PS is a phospholipid that supports cell communication and protects the brain against stress, but its impact is visibly seen in your skin. How? FIR PS lowers cortisol levels, preserving collagen and elastin baller. It improves memory and focus, reducing stress face and facial fatigue dollar. It modulates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, preventing skin thinning and wrinkle formation under chronic stress. A youthful brain is calm. A calm brain means youthful skin. Dosage 100-300 milligrams daily. Best taken in the evening to help cortisol drop. NAC is a precursor to glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. It detoxifies the brain and brightens the skin. NAC, the FIR, reduces oxidative stress in neurons and dermal cells. There's improves skin clarity and reduces age spots. ASIC protects against environmental pollutants that accelerate aging in the brain. NAC also boosts dopamine levels and improves resilience against cognitive decline. Dosage 601-200 milligrams per day. Pair with vitamin C to recycle glutathione effectively. When your brain and skin detoxify together, aging slows at every level. This ancient nootropic does more than boost memory. Lion's mane stimulates nerve growth factor, NGF, regenerating brain pathways. But it also has beauty benefits. NGF improves nerve-skin communication, enhancing the FIR skin repair speed to vascularization, bringing nutrients to skin cells, develops for fibroblast health and collagen synthesis. Lion's mane may also reduce anxiety, lowering cortisol and improving your skin's vibrancy. Dosage 500-1000 mg extract, standardized for harrisnones and aranacines. Lion's mane makes your brain grow and your skin glow. This red antioxidant from microalgae is a powerhouse for brain and skin. Astaxanthin, FIR protects mitochondria from UV and oxidative damage. The 6 increases skin hydration and elasticity. Improves memory by enhancing cerebral blood flow. In one study, 6 milligrams of astaxanthin per day improved fine lines and skin texture in just 8 weeks. In the brain, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and reduces neuroinflammation. Dosage 4-12 milligrams daily with fat for best absorption. It is not just a sunscreen for your skin, it is cellular armor for your brain. Magnesium is essential, But not all forms are equal. Magnesium L-Threonate crosses into the brain and improves synaptic density. Why does this matter for skin? The third, better sleep increases growth hormone release, which boosts skin renewal. The SERA reduced anxiety lowers inflammatory hormones that age the skin. Thor enhanced brain plasticity keeps stress aging in check. Dosage 1 to 2 grams of Magtine formula, providing 144-288 elemental magnesium. A well-rested brain tells your skin to regenerate. Magnesium L-Threonate creates the environment for overnight beauty. PQQ stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis. In the brain, it enhances cognition, memory, and neuroprotection. In the skin, it promotes energy-rich, repair-ready cells. The third reduces fine lines by energizing skin cells. Dex improves skin tone by boosting ATP production. Protects the brain from neurodegeneration and oxidative damage. Dosage 10-20 mg daily. Synergistic with CoQ10 and resveratrol. When your skin cells produce more energy, they heal faster and resist environmental stress. Collagen peptides do more than strengthen skin. They enhance brain structure. Your brain uses collagen in the extracellular matrix to maintain neural connectivity. When paired with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, absorption and synthesis improve. The third, collagen reduces wrinkle depth. The SEV hyaluronic acid boosts hydration. $. Vitamin C enables pro-collagen conversion. Together, they create a neural and dermal matrix that resists breakdown. Dosage 10-20 grams of collagen peptides daily. 200 mg vitamin C. Beauty truly becomes a brain-fueled process. Your face reflects your brain. Cognitive clarity, emotional balance, hormonal rhythm. These all show up in your skin. When you support your brain with the right supplements, your body enters a state of regenerative intelligence. These compounds do not simply work from the outside in. They create systemic youth from the inside out. Before you invest in another cream, ask, have I nourished my brain today? Because if your neurons are inflamed, exhausted, or undernourished, your skin will show it. Try one of these supplements. Track your sleep, mood, memory, and skin changes. Then build a protocol that serves your future face and future self. Brain First Beauty is not a trend. It is the blueprint for lasting radiance. Glow from the mind out. The mirror is watching. So is your brain.